Well, there are a variety of reasons. Some of the more common ones are for failure of the association or the board of directors of the association to release official records to the members when they're requested. There are issues with parking related that oftentimes members will sue the association for insufficient parking or for assigned parking spots. There are issues where the association will alter the common elements, and that becomes problematic, and sometimes members will sue the association over that. There are issues where an association may materially change the actual functionality of the association or the development itself, and you need a certain percentage of votes to do that, of member votes, and it depends on if you're going by either the statute or by the declaration that governs the association. That's another common one. And then you have, especially, this is more common in condominium associations and HOAs, is actually who has the responsibility to repair or maintain a certain portion of either the building or the limited common elements. And sometimes the associations will say, well, that's the members' issue to deal with. And sometimes the members go, no, that's supposed to be an association problem, and you need to either fix it or reimburse me after I fix it. So those are some of the more common problems.